Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back. This is Daily Trading Analysis with a quick market update for today, 31st of October, last day of the month, Wednesday. And in terms of economic data, we didn't have too much information, but we got something. Employment cost keep going higher. Benefits, wages, and the index 1.1%. Also, the cash shiller, a little bit of decrease month over month, but year over year, oh boy, we were expecting 1.6 and we got 2.2. Prices on the housing sector are continuing increasing. Look at this house price index year over year, 5.6%. This is due to interest rates. So another thing, Chicago PMI for October basically flat, less than expected, but same as the previous one. And consumer confidence at 10 a.m. 102. We were expecting 100. Consumer confidence remains pretty tight. And I think this, coupled with the fact that the employment cost continuing higher, did hit a little bit to the market. And market, it's not bullish, it's not bearish, it's just chopping around, consolidating and waiting for new data. What kind of data? Well, the first thing is earnings. We are continuing with earnings today, Tuesday. We got after close AMD. AMD is going to be pretty interesting. Tomorrow, PayPal, and on Thursday, the big one, the biggest stock in the stock market, Apple. Apart from earnings, remember that we are in a huge week. Tomorrow we got ISM manufacturing PMI and JOLTS openings and also in the afternoon interest rate decision. Jerome Powell is going to break the market for sure. Thursday, initial jobless claims and continued jobless claims. And finally, on Friday, non-farm payrolls and unemployment. So if you didn't trust today's market, yesterday's market, Friday's market, I mean, look at these days. These days are nothing. There's nothing here. Not even on Thursday. Well, maybe on Thursday, a little bit of down day, but we are waiting. Everyone is waiting for information. You can trade this chop for sure, but I would like to take a step back and look for context. And the context in the daily basically is big pull down and then a little bit higher. This might be also another bear flag resolution like the one that we got here. But before moving into that, I think it's pretty interesting to see several things. Like the first one, the gap on Monday. The gap up is still untouched. Buyers are still buying the support. The other thing, resistance remained there until right now. We break through, we got the pullback, and we are basically up here. So what do? We continue, we pull back, there are buyers, there are sellers, there's just no clear direction. There's no clear direction. Look at this open. Down, consolidating, look at this pre-market low entry. That is a cheap trade, a good ratio for this push and for the rest of the day. So these are really critical levels. Pre-market low offer nice ratio and a good long opportunity. But apart from that, I mean, look at this. This is just chop. This is like a heartbeat diagram. I mean, there's nothing. And we are up here at yesterday's high, not being able to push 14,500 in the Nasdaq. In the meantime, dollar is pretty strong. So I wouldn't buy this market being that it's choppy and dollar is quite strong, pressuring down stocks. There's mixed sentiment on the Nasdaq. We got every one of the big seven in the red, but Tesla. Microsoft is actually 0%. So Tesla is 1.92, but the rest are in the red. In the red. Treasuries are in the green, dollar is strong, yields are mixed. Small caps are, well, more chop. Banks are, some of them in the green, some of them in the red. There's nothing clear today. So you have to exercise patience and to wait for those opportunities that are worth. Tomorrow there will be a lot of them. Thursday and Friday there will be more of them. So just learn to be patient, to be disciplined, and to wait for those days that are really worth it. Right now, there's nothing for me, and I hope you really understand why. And I think I don't need to cover anything else. Just chop, just patience. We have to be patient and wait for tomorrow FOMC and the rest of the days in which we have a lot of economic data. So there will be moves for sure, volatile moves, and plenty of opportunity. So trust me, it's better to wait and don't trade in the middle of nowhere this chop. That's all from my side. Honestly, there's nothing else for me in this market. And I'm really trying for you to understand when it's worth trading and what is not. Remember, cash and no position is a position. So really try to understand that and really learn that for the long-term success. That's all from my side. As always, thank you for your time. If you found this video useful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel because I upload videos like this one for market forecast, market updates, and market recap every single day. And also on the weekends, a weekly recap that may be super interesting. If you didn't check out the last one, on Saturday I uploaded the weekly recap for last week. Please give it a go. Give it a check and you will be surprised the amount of information and effort that I put in these videos. So thank you for that. Thank you for the support and wait for tomorrow with discipline, with risk management, with patience. Tomorrow is going to be a big day. So learn to wait and live to trade another day. Stay safe, everyone, and see you tomorrow.